This is a good index to track, which is the Reuters CRB commodity index. It's a 19 index of 19 commodities in a basket, and typically, again, this is trading at its almost lowest levels over many years, and it's down 50% from peaks, right? So it might have gone up from lows in the last in this year, but it's still down 50% from peaks. And the fact that it's down 50% from peaks, I mean, again, tell you that there is not going to be any kind of great commodity price rallies going ahead, right? So you still have commodities that are going to stay extremely weak, which is again positive for inflation expectations globally. As you all know, crude oil prices have collapsed, right? So these are the effect on markets. Okay. So what if I want to sum it up? What is global liquidity doing to markets? Right? It's taken down sovereign bond yields to record lows and negative levels. It's taken down spreads, so all the liquidity is going to wherever yields are available. It's taken up equities globally, right? It's not really had such a great impact on commodities yet. It's not had a great impact on gold, for example, which is a risk averse. While gold is still up 21%, but it's not really something to really write home about, because it's collapsed from $1,900 a troy ounce gold prices. And what can it potentially do further is it can again provide rally to emerging currencies, bonds, because wherever there is excess, wherever there is higher rates, money will come into that, and wherever there is any signs of growth, it can come into that. So to some extent, India can be a huge recipient of global liquidity. Concerns are the flattening of a US Treasury curve, which is something to be worried about, and so much money going into say illiquid curves like a junk bond asset. But the question is, how long will this stay, and how long will it play out? It can potentially stay for longer periods of time, and if it does, then you still have asset prices going up sharply. But if there is some trigger point, then you still have a potential of a very strong fall in global and domestic markets.